Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove paragraphs indent in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your paragraph. Now select format option. Here you will find align and indent option and select here indentation option. Now simply select here 0 and now simply select apply and see this paragraph indentation already removed. So I remove this paragraph indentation. Format and again select this and select here 0 and apply and see this indentation already removed. Also remove this paragraph indentation, select here and select 0. This paragraph has right indentation, 0, apply. Yeah, in this way you can remove all of this paragraph indentation. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.